Check out this 1,000 square foot basement. Let's begin at the wet bar, featuring a sleek countertop with barstool seating, a TV perfectly framed between elegant trim work, and glass shelving that showcases both style and utility. Now as we turn the corner, we enter the game area, complete with a pool table, subtle tray ceiling lighting, and a beautifully detailed crown molding that elevates the space even further. Now as we head down the hall, you'll notice the staircase on your left, where a decorative slat wall creates an inviting visual as you come down, letting you know when you enter the basement you're off to a great start. To the right, we enter a full bathroom with a crisp white vanity, an LED mirror, and eye-catching tile work in the shower. Circling back, we open up both sides of the staircase to maximize the sense of space, a subtle yet impactful decision. Just beyond that is the living room area, where a horizontal shiplap wall frames the mounted TV and a linear fireplace adds warmth and depth. The tray ceiling continues with a soft LED lighting, tying in with the overall color scheme, and this plush couch completes the cozy yet refined vibe of this central gathering space. As we approach the home theater, you'll pass a custom concession area, a white granite countertop echoing the wet bar, paired with glass shelving and tailored cabinetry to complete the look. It's a perfect prelude to the theater itself. You enter through a hidden door where the theater opens up with LED lit tray ceilings, both ground level and platform seating, and a half wall behind the last row, ideal for additional barstool seating for any stragglers. And finally, we end right where we started, passing a beautifully lit glass display case, perfect for showcasing whatever makes this space uniquely yours.